Nobody is expecting this huge Bitcoin move to be getting created. Of course, Bitcoin has already seen these very significant breakouts, but Bitcoin is on the verge of creating a way bigger move anytime soon. So we need to be talking about that exactly. Where is the retail at this current moment? Because the views are still significantly down, while literally Bitcoin has already reached new all-time highs this cycle. We need to be talking about that exactly. So can we once again push up the likes? Back above the 100 likes, that will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's at short term. And yes, like we have been talking about many times already, well, we have been seeing this breakout outside of this symmetrical triangle, which has already resulted in about a 5% move towards the upside getting initiated. So that is already absolutely great. Now, if we are going to be having a look into what's our breakout target, well, still that breakout target is sitting at even higher levels, coming in at about the 74.7k level. So still, from off this breakout alone, we still have more upside potential to go because of this breakout we are getting over here. Now, currently, Bitcoin is actually getting rejected by this level of resistance over here. So yes, because of this resistance, well, Bitcoin has been kind of consolidating in the recent few days, trying to be breaking above this level of resistance, but still failed to do so. Now, in that imminent short term, we can actually be starting to have a look towards another consolidation pattern being created. And if we are going to be breaking outside of this one, we are going to be creating that next Bitcoin move, either breaking above this level of resistance or getting some kind of final rejection. So yes, this smaller symmetrical triangle is going to be extremely important to have a look towards. Now, if we can be breaking this one out towards the upside, that is going to be massive, because on that larger time frame, Bitcoin has been creating this inverse head and shoulders pattern with a left shoulder over here, with a right shoulder over here, and the head being created over here. Now, this one is going to be having an insane price target all the way up towards the 90k. If we measure it correctly like this, we can exactly be seeing that, yes, indeed, the price target is sitting at the 90.8k level. So yes, if we can be breaking above this level of resistance with the catalyst of this smaller breakout in the short term, well, we are going to be seeing a price target all the way up towards the 90k level. So that is already going to be huge. Now, it is getting even crazier because yes, in the short term, we have already as well seen this breakout of this cup and handle pattern, or maybe even you can call it a bull flag pattern. So this is also signaling us that pretty likely we are about to create even more follow through towards the upside because of this breakout. At the same time, the Bitcoin funding rates have been increasing just a little bit, but still are extremely low in my opinion. We are literally trying to be breaking above massive levels of resistance, and still the Bitcoin funding rates are actually quite low, which is pointing out to me that we actually still want to be quite bullish at these current levels. The charts are still looking quite good. Having a look into what's that Bitcoin liquidity, most definitely the majority of the Bitcoin liquidity is actually on that top side, and we do know that Bitcoin tends to move towards a place where the majority of the liquidity is sitting at. Right now, it is actually sitting exactly above this level of resistance. So yes, if Bitcoin once again goes towards that majority of the Bitcoin liquidity, well, we are about to see a massive move getting initiated. And yeah, if we are going to be having a look into what's the structure for Bitcoin, of course, we have been trading inside of this downtrend over here. We have been flipping this downtrend. Right now, we are trading inside of an uptrend. We have just printed a new higher low. So pretty likely we are going to be breaking above this previous high over here, and we are going to be printing some new highs. That is at least where I'm right now having a look in towards. I think it is going to be highly probable. That is why I'm still having my Bitcoin trade open. It is right now almost in 100k profit, which is looking absolutely amazing. But I think that so much more is about to come, because if we are going to be having a look into what's even longer time frame, well, we are just creating this bull flag retest with a beautiful perfect breakout. Right now, breaking above these previous highs, which is looking like, yes, indeed, we have confirmed our breakout, and we do have a price target sitting at that 108k level. So that is looking absolutely crazy. And if we are going to be having a look into what's our volatility indicator, yes, a huge move is around the corner. So I definitely do think that a move towards this price target is actually going to be pretty likely. At this moment right now, it is still looking quite crazy. It is actually still looking like it is not very probable, but whenever we are finally going to be seeing our massive breakout and our massive volatility returning towards the market, well then it can all go very quickly. Just keep that in mind. So yes guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself with this massive opportunity coming up right now in the short term, well make sure to check out that link down below, because over on CoinW you can be claiming your free $5 on your initial sign up. On top of that, on your first futures trade, you're going to be getting another $100 completely for free, and also you can be claiming this $30,000 deposit bonus. Now do keep in mind that all of these bonuses are only going to be available if you are using that link down below. Now the best thing is over on CoinW, there's no KYC required, so everyone all around the world is going to be eligible to be claiming these bonuses. So definitely make sure to check it out if you want to be prepared for that next Bitcoin move. And right now Bitcoin is actually pumping in the short term, but anyways, having a look into where the retail is at right now. Well, the retail is not yet back towards crypto. If we are going to be having a look into YouTube views, well, they are still significantly down compared with the last cycle, while Bitcoin has actually already been reaching new all-time highs, which is still indicating me that yes, this retail has not returned towards crypto yet. And well, we do know that at the point where the retail is going to be returning towards the market, that is when we are going to be going absolutely parabolic, and that is going to be the point where all of our altcoins are going to be exploding. Right now it has not happened yet, but I think we are getting very close, and with that next leg towards the upside, I think at that point the retail is going to be returning towards crypto. So yeah, from all of these points, I think that crypto and Bitcoin is about to go absolutely parabolic. It is looking great in my opinion. Anyways, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.